Welcome to my channel Tough to Easy.
Salty. Having the taste of or containing salt. These chips are too salty. Sour. Having an acid taste like lemon and vinegar. The lemon is quite sour. Sweet. Having a taste similar to that of sugar. The cake is very sweet. Tangy. Having a strong, piquant flavor or smell. The tamarind is tangy. Ripe. Completely developed and ready to be eaten. These bananas are ripe. Unripe. Not yet ready to be eaten. These bananas are unripe. Bitter. Having a sharp or harsh flavor. The coffee tastes bitter. Spicy. Containing strong flavors from spices. This curry is very spicy. Oily. Containing a lot of oil. The fish is oily. Mild. Not having a strong taste. The cheese is mild. Crispy. Having a firm, dry and brittle surface. These French fries are crispy. Creamy. Resembling cream in consistency or color. The sauce is creamy. Chewy. Requiring much chewing. The bubble gum is chewy. Pungent. Having a strong and sharp taste or smell. The spices are pungent. Buttery. Containing or tasting like butter. The popcorn is buttery. Aromatic. Having a pleasant smell. The herbs are aromatic. Nutty. Tasting like nuts. The bread has a nutty taste. Savory. Having a taste that is not sweet but salty. The soup has savory flavor. Fruity. A taste or aroma reminiscent of fruits. The smoothie is fruity. Rich. A deep, complex flavor, often indicating a high fat content. The chocolate is rich. Stale. Old and not fresh anymore. This bread is stale. Zesty. Having a strong, pleasant and somewhat spicy flavor. I love the zesty flavor of curry. Burnt. Overcooked, resulting in a bitter taste. The toast tastes burnt. Earthy. A taste or aroma reminiscent of earth or soil. The mushrooms taste earthy. Herbal. A taste or aroma reminiscent of herbs. The tea is herbal. Peppery. Having a spicy flavor like pepper. The steak is peppery. Astringent. Slightly acidic or bitter. The vinegar is astringent. Fresh. Recently made or obtained, not canned, frozen. The salad is very fresh. Mashed. Crush something until it is soft. The potatoes are mashed. Metallic. A taste or aroma reminiscent of metal. The water has a metallic taste. Rotten. Old and not fresh enough. The apple is rotten. Greasy. Covered with or full of fat or oil. The burger is greasy. Bland. Lacking in taste. The rice is bland. Boiled. Cooked in boiling water. The egg is boiled. Fry. Cook in hot fat or oil. I like fry egg for breakfast. Caramelized. Cooked until sugar turn into a sweet, brown syrup. I like caramelized sugar candy. Scrambled. Mixed or tossed together. I like scrambled eggs for breakfast. Fizzy. Containing bubbles of gas. The soda is fizzy. Crunchy. Making a sharp noise when bitten or crushed. These biscuits are crunchy. Grassy. A flavor or aroma reminiscent of fresh grass. The tea has a grassy taste. Tasty. Having a good flavor. The pizza is very tasty. Minty. Tasting or smelling of mint. The gum is minty. Cheesy. Like cheese in taste, smell or consistency. The dip is cheesy. Sugary. Containing much sugar. The soda is sugary. Charred. Burnt black by fire. The meat is charred. Vanilla. A flavor derived from vanilla beans. The pudding is vanilla flavored. Yeasty. A flavor or aroma reminiscent of yeast. The bread is yeasty. Toasty. A warm, slightly crisped flavor that comes from browning. The nuts taste toasty. Tart. Tasting unpleasantly sour. The orange is tart. Citrusy. A flavor or aroma reminiscent of citrus fruits. The cake has a citrusy flavor. Garlicky. Tasting or smelling strongly of garlic. The sauce is garlicky. Waxy. A texture that feels smooth similar to wax. The fruit tastes waxy. Silky. A smooth, soft texture that feels like silk. The dessert is silky.